I just bought this new brand box. Brown, why does the box look like a piece of racket? Look at this. Why does it look like that?
That don't look like a box because when it looks like a box, it's supposed to be like close. It's supposed to be like close and it's not even close. But why is it not even close and not even looking like a box? It's probably broken. Hey, I'm going in here. Wait, I never knew the box is empty. Wait, where's the secret formula? Secret formula. No, it's probably here.
This is my, by the way, this is my imagination box, by the way.
This is your imagination box. Come on, I just want to get this out. Come on. And come on, I just want to get inside.
Okay. How to make it work is you gotta say imagination out loud while you're in the box. And by the way, you gotta close it. Okay.
Close the box. Close the box. Imagination. Wait, is that even working?
You gotta say imagination loudly.
Imagination. It's not even working. This box is not an imagination box.
Go inside and then do it.
I was inside.
Just do it.
Imagination, and it's still not working.
No, you gotta go under here.
Whoa! Imagination, and it's still not working.
Can you stop saying it's still not working and stop opening the box too early?
Okay, fine. If you want to do that, okay. No, my antennas. Get chopped off. Close the box for real. Close the box. Imagination. No. Actually, no, I didn't. Imagination. Wait, I forgot to say it.
Bro, it's imagination.
What? Imagination. And it's still not working. You gotta fix this imagination box. Come on, man. This is not even working. Let me go in. Again. I'm gonna do this again. Fine. Imagination. It's literally open. What is wrong with this box?
I think we gotta get a new box. I don't know.
Look, this box is trapped. You gotta fix it.
Okay, I'll go fix it. Go fix it.
2 hours later.
I'm back with the box.
Finally! Do you put some rainbow juice in there?
Yep.
Let's go! Wait a minute. It wasn't even close correctly. Imagination! Wait, it's working now! Let's go! I want to imagine a jungle, without animals! Yeah! With the music, turn up the music and then put some hip hop music. Put rap. Put pop music. Put it on. Yeah, this
guess Plank loves the imagination box.
Yeah! This is so good! Let's go! This imagination box is fire! Let's go! And let's go to put on music and put on music! Let's go!
And make sure you don't think of I don't know. Planes don't think of a big jungle with some big SpongeBob villains that actually could kill him.
No! No! Stop! Why would you say that?
No, Plank. I don't want you to die. Please think of a candy lamp and the secret formula. What did you just say? I mean, no, don't think of the secret formula.
No, I'm thinking of it. And I'm gonna think of Plankton. Yeah, we see the secret formula. Let's go.
You know that's not the real. That's not the real secret formula. It's just never mind. It's just nothing.
No!
Mm-hmm.
No! Oh, I wanted to do this. I wanted to grab the secret formula, Plankton. I'm sorry. It failed again, Plankton.
Why does it always fail? It always fails. You actually thought that was actually the secret formula? Think of me.
Oh, hi, Betty. How you doing?
What?
You're not even saying nothing. It's just such a dog. How? My face turning red.
Think of.
Wait, how do I even know who you are? Ah! Hi, Cowboy.
What do you mean? Why you think of me? I said think of me, Janelle.
Think of the nail plane. Think of the nail.
Come on.
Okay. I'm thinking of you. Wait, come on, Plank. You're lame.
Think of Boba Fett. Something from Star Wars.
What is Star Wars?
Oh my goodness, you just don't want to think of it. Daniel! You see me?
Hey, who are you? You're messing it up! No! I was enjoying.
I'm stupid as fuck. Think of me, I'm right here.
I can't think of you because you're only one. I mean, no. You're big, so you can't fit in here. So it's not even gonna work. Cause you're little bit. Come on, Danielle. Come on. No way.
Oh!
Now just think of my original self.
Grrr, you already say me! You already saw me!
Can you stop? I'm really thinking of something and you're ruining me thinking of something. Can you please stop?
Come on, man. Oh, annoying. Think of me. You just already saw me. You just saw me like minutes ago. Come on. Like seconds ago. Come on, man. 10:04. Come on.
What do you mean by that?
Come on.
Just
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Don't talk to me.
Wait a minute. I think of you. I know what you look like. Look into you look like this. I'm gonna think of you to do. Don't worry. Wait. Imagination. Wait, why isn't that working? Imagination. And it's still not working. And it's still not working. Okay, fine. Imagination! Ow! I hit myself. No. No. I'm sorry, the news is not working. No.